Hi, I'm Oriane. I'm a Le Bridge Fellow student at SCET from Lyon Business School in France. And this semester at Berkeley is a unique experience to meet bright and inspiring people, discover the amazing Californian environment, and also develop a first-hand innovative mindset.
Hello, I'm Raphael. I'm a Le Bridge Fellow student at SCET from Lyon Business School. And this semester is a unique opportunity for me because first, it's the first time I get to study abroad, and also because it allows me to discover the Silicon Valley entrepreneurship mindset.
My name is Hugo. I'm from Neoma Business School in France. I'm a student at the Le Bridge program, part of the SCET here at UC Berkeley. And studying in UC Berkeley is a unique experience for me because you're able to work with students with very different backgrounds, and you get to work on projects like entrepreneurial projects with engineers and students in design, which you would not be able to do in France.
The environment is extremely stimulating. There is always something going on. People are smart and project-driven, which is both inspiring and impressive at the same time.
What is unique about UC Berkeley is, I would say, the quality of the speakers that we have here and the quality of the mentors that helping us during our entrepreneurial projects, because they have a very high level of knowledge into the entrepreneurial matters.
I would say it's about the number of opportunities you have like in a single place, and the way all the things move so fast here, and also the tons of possibilities you have to meet with wonderful people, some inspiring people, and maybe some life-changing people.
Favorite class at UC Berkeley is Tech for Entrepreneurship in Deng 191. It's taught by a serial entrepreneur named Zafar. He's very kind and a very professional teacher. And the aim of the class is basically to create a startup in one semester, so you get to experience all the early stage of creation of a startup.
I think it's the product management class because you have to build a product from scratch in a practical way, so this is really interesting. And moreover, product management is about entrepreneurship, meaning entrepreneurship in a big company or in a startup, and all the tools you can learn and all the methods you can learn can be applied to an actual entrepreneurship project.
The class I've been enjoying the most so far is called Impact Investing Landscape. I loved it both for the quality of the teaching, but also the impressive guest speakers that we had. For instance, we had the opportunity to talk with the head of sustainability at Goldman Sachs around his views and his impact investing journey, which was extremely interesting.
My motivation to come at UC Berkeley at the SCET is because I'm passionate about entrepreneurship and new technologies, and what a best place to dive into where the innovation is at its finest here in the Silicon Valley, and moreover in UC Berkeley at SCET, where technology entrepreneurship is the main focus they have.
I wanted to experience an American campus life, both for the classes but also for the atmosphere. For instance, I joined the boxing club. And I also wanted to learn more about entrepreneurship on the edge of the Silicon Valley.
I guess my main motivations to come here were really about improving my entrepreneurship skills, but also to evolve in a startup ecosystem, which is like one of the best in the world.
The project I'm working on currently are in product management class. We're working on an automated competitor analysis tool that's supposed to be guided towards early stage entrepreneurs. And the second project I'm working in is in tech entrepreneurship class, where we're working on an app that's made for travelers, for meet locals when they go to travel, or meet other travelers when they want to party, or just experience the social local life.
I have both medium and short-term projects. In the medium term, I plan to launch an impact investing fund. And currently, with this goal in mind, I am creating a podcast questioning environmental and social impact definitions and applications. And I'm also building expertise around energy and climate through a newsletter that I've co-launched, and also some research work with the World Bank.
So I have launched a project called Guston like 1 year ago, and the goal is to deliver local and fresh produce to customers, but also to restaurants And so far we made like more than 200 deliveries, and we are working with 2 restaurants.